welcome to my YouTube channel Entertain Tricks. Friend, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you earn money online. Yes friends, now you can earn money online from PTC websites. And there are two websites which I will show you to earn money. Uh, Obviously there are a lot of PTC websites from which you can earn money, but the two websites which I'm gonna show you in this video, that will be the best PTC website to earn money. In this video I will also show you the techniques to earn money online and easy to earn and increase money in fast way. So let's start our video. Friends, first of all I would like to stack my word into the small notepad. I would like to increase the font size first. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Entertain Tricks. Friends, in this video I am gonna show you how can you earn fast through two best PTC sites. Okay, so let's start. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Start. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome, and after that you will have to the two best PTC techniques to tell you. I think that you will also aware of that two best PTC websites, but you might not have a knowledge how to correctly exactly use this PTC site to earn more money in very easy way, in a very fast way. So let's start to telling you a first website and to technique to earn fast. Though that website, the first website, I will I would like to say that which one I should tell you. The first website, okay, I'm here writing. The first website is the ClickSense. You might have known that this website is a very famous website. So friends, in this website you will have to sign up for first time, like you will have to register for the first from your Gmail website. Okay, and after joining you will have to get a confirmation email from your Gmail or email account. From there you'll have to click on the link and confirm your account. After that you will have to open your ClickSense account in this website. Okay, so after login this website ClickSense, you will have a lot of tasks in this website, like you will have to click on the advertisements. Okay, the advertisement is commonly just to click on that ads and to earn money. Yeah, it's obviously, but this rate is very slow. But to if you want to earn more money in less time in very fast way, then you will have to leave the ad click. You will have to left to click on the ads. You only focus on the tasks or offers they offer you. Okay, so that was the one website. So in this way, through completing the task on playing games on doing surveys, you will earn more money and in fast way rather than click on the ads. Okay, and one of the second best website is to Neobucks. You might have known about this website. This website is also a one of the best website in the PTC websites. In this website, you will have to register first, like ClickSense, and you will have to confirmation email through your Gmail account. After click on the confirmation link, your account will be automatically made, and then you will have to log in into the Neobox website. After that, you will get click on the aid. This is the same program as in the ClickSense, but there are less task or less features in this Neobox. But that what I would like to say that I have earned only $6 in 1 month from India. So I would like to say that $6 in 1 month by just clicking on the ads in this thing. The new bucks is the best PTC website to earn money. Okay, you will have to just give the 2 hours per day to click on the ads and other various games and token playing games in this. First of all, you will have to log in here. Okay, after login you will see the interface. I have not account in this computer because this is a my this is not my PC, but it's my friend PC. Is my friend laptop where I am trying to record this video, so I would not like to open my account on this website. That's why I'm sorry to say, but I will have to make a video on this day, so that's why I have make video. But later on after this video I will show you proof. I will show you proof on my on computer of my account. So I hope you will have liked it. If you have liked, then please share with your friends and comment me on this section. Thank you so much for watching that entertain tricks. Good luck, my boy.